Um, Good morning, everyone. Trust we all are doing good. I'm Tio, and welcome to my day 31 video of the 100 Days of Technical Analysis Challenge. So, today I'll be looking at AUD in depthly, and I will be explaining the concept behind its price projection. So, let's ride along. Now, I'm starting from the monthly time frame because it's a multi-time frame analysis. We want to know where price will be heading to next. So we have to understand the whole thing based on the whole time frame. Now, let's start with the significant levels on the chart. Looking at this previously, this is price action, and we can see how price came back down here to react to it. So we can just mark this out as a significant area of structure. Then also to this level, we can come back down here and mark it as a significant area of structure. And here we'll just mark it out as price relevance. Now, with all these levels in, I can now zoom in closer into price and just add my box tool on it. One, second one, and to the last one, which is this one. Now, what do I want to see on the monthly time frame? I just want to see if price is above or below the significant level. The significant level are just normal areas of structure in price. Now, looking at this, we can see price is above this significant level. So I can now take this off and understand that the next stop point, or if I were to be buying this, which initially the buyers from the monthly time frame is a buy, this would be my take profit. This next zone right here will be my take profit. So now I'll just go down to the weekly time frame and try as much as possible to see what price is doing. Now on the weekly time frame, it's nothing big. We can see this was a bearish trend that got broken and retested. So we had a break in this bearish trend. It has got retested and price is projecting to the upside. So I know this is where my initial target will be. Now I can just take this off, knowing that I have to start dealing with relevance in price. So me taking this off, I will keep in mind that it's actually above an area of structure, it's above a zone. But zooming closely into price, we can see there is relevance of price at this area. So this is actually an area of structure and price is yet to come back to it. So I can just mark this out as a significant area of structure right here. So yes, this is a significant area of structure. And if you look further on the chart, you see there is an inverted head and shoulder. I know most people will disagree that it's not an inverted head and shoulder, but really it is an inverted head and shoulder. So this is the left shoulder, the head, and this is the right shoulder. Patterns can never be picture perfect the way we see it in the books we read, so we have to just play along with what is on the chart. Now, knowing that there's an inverted head and shoulder there, we can now go to the daily time frame and try as much as possible to see something. So on the daily time frame, I'll take the markouts for the head and shoulder out. Okay, so the markout for the head and shoulder is out. Now on the daily time frame, zooming into price and try as much as possible to get the relevance from price. Now, price is yet to come back to this level, and this is the swing low of this projection here. This is the swing low, and this is the swing high. So price has not really come back to the 61.8 fib level. So we expect price to actually come back to the 61.8 fib level, or the 78 points or the 78.60 level. And also we have a pattern right here, an ascending channel. we do have an ascending channel right here. So when we see an ascending channel on the chart, it's just a significance that price will actually um push to the downside for a while before we see price project to the upside. Now, possibly this might happen first before we see to go long fully. So I'll be looking for longs on this currency pair. Why? Because of it's a major uptrend. Looking for sells on it is like suicide. So which I know I don't want to get involved in. So if the sell or if the sell side does play out first, it's just giving me a better price of entry. So I'll be watching price at this level because price can actually still fire up from here or come down for a sell before we actually move to the upside. So with that known, I can go to the 4 hour time frame. Now on the 4 hour time frame, we have an inverted head and shoulder right here. So this is like a significance that there is a huge tendency price might not even push to the downside. And also we have another head and shoulder here. This is the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder, not your typical type of head and shoulders, which is actually another confluence that there is a huge tendency that price will move to the upside. And also looking at this area, this is a previous area of structure, and price should be ready to project to the upside from this level. And now to the 1 hour time frame, which is the last time frame. You can see how well price reacted at this level. If I throw my fibs on this chart, you can see this is the swing low to the swing high. And you can see how well it reacted off the 61.8 fib level. So it's like price is ready to project to the upside already. So I'll be looking for buys on AUD USD and not sales. So my major outlook on AUD USD will be to look for buys and not sales. So I hope you do learn a thing or two from AUD USD, and please do support by dropping a like and a follow. Thank you.